Yo, what's up mga tol? Naghahanap ka ba ng earphones na wireless na may AI, Intelligent Noise Reduction, effectively suppresses peripheral noise, and call echo, making HD calls barrier-free. Tapos, kompleto na to sa box. Meron tong Type-C charging cable. Tapos, siyempre, manual na hindi natin binabasa. Extra ear tips. Tapos, ito na nga yung bagong-bago ng Monster Enlight 206 True Wireless In-Ear Gaming Headset, Bluetooth Wireless Connection, Game Sports Headset, Call Noise Reduction, Mobile Phone Universal Sports. O, diba? Ang ganda. Ito yung earphone ngayon na may AI Intelligent Noise Reduction, HD ang calls, lightweight and compact, pure magic sound, minimalist aesthetics, comfortable to wear. New version SIG 5.4, low latency, low power consumption, tapos ultra long battery life, tapos IPX5 na rin to, waterproof. At syempre, meron din itong touch features dun sa mismong earphones, kaya mag-enjoy kayo gamitin to. Kaya kung trip nyo to guys, click nyo na yung yellow basket sa taas ng pangalan ko and then check out nyo na. Thank you!